So one example is this chart, no? Makikita natin na may checklist tayong nilagay dyan. Came from a strong rally. So yung MA10 spring is an early entry in which you are entering on the breakout of MA10. So i-annotate ko na lang. So early entry siya. So basically pag nag-cross below and then nag-cross above, that will be your E1, your first entry. And another prerequisite niyan is dapat meron kang emerging continuation pattern. So coming from a rally, then meron kang continuation pattern na setup na nakikita. Ngayon, pwede mo yung gamitin sa pwede mo tignan na lang yung guide natin for TA patterns, continuation TA patterns from the previous lesson. So another checklist is dapat sloping upward yung MA50 mo and must have a bear trap or spring event on MA10. So yung spring events, ito yan, basically a bear trap in which price close below and recovers above. So an MA10 spring is a full candle close below, then breaks above MA10 again. So yun yung main idea behind it. And yung sell signal naman natin is our MA10 snap. So basically, you're using it as a trail stop, and a break below the MA10 after an MA10 spring play or a continuation pattern play signals the end of this momentum or the end of this rally. So makikita mo dito, 'di ba? Ito yung buy setup natin. E1 and then E2. Buy on breakout, pwedeng dagdag ka dyan, E3. Pwedeng ganun, 'di ba? Then stops mo is below this swing low or slightly below the MA10. Ngayon, pag naka-complete mo na yung position mo and nag-materialize siya, sell half ka on your measured target, pwedeng rally target, pwedeng pattern target. So, ganun. Ngayon, sell half ka dyan, then sell all on the MA10 snap. So, pag nag-snap yung price below MA10, that's when you will close your position. So, ganun. So, one example is this chart, no? Makikita natin na may checklist tayong nilagay dyan. Came from a strong rally, forming a continuation pattern, and dapat price close below and recovers above.